Hello friends, welcome back to our channel TECHIES. I'm Anuj Rana, and today in this video I'm going to demonstrate you that how can you download a video from Instagram in your Android phone gallery. All right, it's a very easy process, very simple one, but I'll give you a step-by-step instructions. First of all, that you should have your Instagram app properly downloaded in your Android phone, and you must have the latest version, the 2023 version, on which I'm giving you the demonstration. So first of all, let me open the Instagram application for you. This is my home page, and let me see a video for you. All right, let me go ahead and download this video for you. So in this video, you will see the three dots in the bottom. Let's tap on that. It will give me multiple options. Let me tap on the link option so that it will automatically copy the link. See, it says the link copied. All right. Now let's come out of Instagram and let me open my Chrome browser for you. You also need to do the same. Once the Google is opened, tap on the search button and press, and you have to write down download Instagram video. It's already there. Once you will write down the download Instagram videos, it will give you multiple websites. So in my opinion, in my personal opinion, I think Snap Insta is a better option. So let me tap on this. Let me open this website for you. Because personally, I will not suggest you any kind of application, because applications, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't work. And I don't want you to get into any kind of trouble. Instead of that, you can directly go to the website. It's very easy. And now over here in this box, paste URL, it says. Let me paste the copied link. Yeah, it's already automatically done. Now let me press download. It's downloading. Let me close this ad. Yeah, this is the video for Tata Harrier. Let's download this video. The file is downloading. It says file downloaded. Let me open this file from here. Let me make sure that this was the same video. Yeah. All right, this was the same video. Now let me check in my gallery also whether this video is properly downloaded there or not. Let me open my gallery. Yep, I can see over here the first video here. All right, so it's properly downloaded in my gallery also. So that is all for today's videos, guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.